Why is consideration crucial for agricultural land contracts? Imagine signing a deal to farm a large piece of land, but neither side clearly states what they are giving or receiving. Without understanding this, disputes can easily happen. That's where consideration comes in. It is a key part of contract law, especially for farmland agreements. Consideration means what each party promises to give or do in exchange for the other party's promise or action. For landowners, this might be granting the right to from their land. For tenants or buyers, it could be paying rent, providing labor, or making improvements. In farmland contracts, consideration makes the agreement legally binding. Without it, a contract might not hold up in court. This is important because farmland deals often involve large sums of money, long time frames, and complex responsibilities. Having clear consideration ensures both sides know what they are responsible for and what they will get in return. For example, in a lease agreement, the landowner agrees to let the tenant from the land, and the tenant agrees to pay a set amount of money each year. If these terms are not written down clearly, disagreements can arise about payments or land use. Consideration also defines the financial relationship. If a farmer pays a fixed rent each year, that amount must be specified. If the landowner receives a share of the harvest instead of cash, that percentage needs to be clear. This helps prevent misunderstandings and makes sure both parties understand their financial stakes. Sometimes consideration involves more than money. It can include commitments like maintaining soil quality, managing water resources, or making improvements to the land. These obligations help protect the land's value over time and promote sustainable farming practices. Clear consideration terms also give flexibility. If market prices change or new regulations come into effect, farmland contracts can be adjusted if the consideration terms are well defined. This prevents the need for legal battles and allows both sides to adapt to new circumstances. For investors and operators, understanding how consideration is set in contracts is essential. It impacts profitability, risk, and the ability to respond to changes in the market or regulations. Well-structured consideration helps build trust, reduces disputes, and supports long-term success in agricultural real estate. In essence, consideration is the foundation that keeps farmland contracts fair and enforceable. It ensures everyone knows what they are giving and receiving, which is vital for smooth operations and avoiding legal issues. Paying attention to how consideration is defined in agreements helps protect investments, manage risks, and foster strong partnerships in farmland ventures.